Is Windows Update not working, stuck checking for updates, failing to download updates, or showing an error when you try to update your PC? In this video, I'll show you several step-by-step methods to fix Windows Update problems on Windows 10. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Open your web browser and try loading a website. If websites are not loading properly, restart your Wi-Fi router and reconnect your computer. Once your internet connection is working, go back to Windows Update and try checking for updates again. If Windows Update is still not working, move on to the next step. Step 2. Restart your computer. Sometimes Windows Update can stop working because a previous update or system process has become stuck. To fix this, restart your computer. After your computer starts again, open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Windows Update. Click Check for Updates and see if Windows can find and install the update. If the problem is still there, continue to the next step. Step 3. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click the Start button and open Settings. Select Update and Security. Then click Troubleshoot. Next, select Additional Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. Windows will now check your system for common problems that may be preventing Windows Update from working correctly. If Windows finds a problem, follow the instructions on the screen and allow it to apply the recommended fix. Once the troubleshooting process is complete, restart your computer and try Windows Update again. If the troubleshooter couldn't identify or fix the problem, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method. Step 4. Make sure Windows Update services are running. If Windows Update is still not working, the Windows Update service may not be running correctly. Press the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the Services window. Scroll down and find Windows Update. Double-click it and check the service status. If the service is stopped, click Start. Then click Apply and OK. If the service is already running, simply close the window and continue to the next step. Now try checking for Windows updates again. Step 5. Check your date and time. Another thing you should check is your computer's date and time. Incorrect date or time settings can sometimes cause problems when Windows tries to communicate with Microsoft's update servers. Open Settings and select Time and Language. Click Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Then click Sync Now if the option is available. Once your time has been synchronized, go back to Windows Update and try checking for updates again. If an update is available, allow Windows to download and install it. Depending on the update, you may need to restart your computer to complete the installation. And that's it. In this video, we went through several methods to fix Windows Update problems on Windows 10. If one method didn't work for you, try the next method in the video. If this video helped you, subscribe to Smart Solutions Hub for more quick PC fixes and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.